Hey guys, Harvard's Cheshire Kid here, and today I'm going to make a video of this 42-inch Harvard Centerville. There were two other fans, a Hampton Bay carriage house and another Centerville just like this one, but they took them down and replaced them with regular lights, so this is the only fan in the house. Start on low. And I don't know if you can hear that, but this fan makes a tapping sound as well. And this is a very tall room too. I'm gonna say that these fans are pretty good. They're fast. So I don't know what the tapping sound is. I'm guessing a wire nut is hitting the motor or something's touching the motor and make it tap. Alright, thanks for watching.